Hey there, just got this ELEMIS Skin Wellness Kit. This is a starter set, and this is actually my first introduction to the brand. I've heard so much good stuff about it. So I wanted to get something that had a little bit of everything for me to try. Let me show you what's inside. So you're gonna get all the top goodies. This is what it looks like when it arrives to you. So you can see it's really pretty. This could be a great gift for someone. You're gonna get a nice large size of the Collagen Cleansing Balm. This is a top seller, and basically what you do is you'll put this on. It kind of melts away makeup and everything. You leave it on for 10 minutes and then you wash it off, and it's going to help promote good collagen as well. Let me open it up so we can see the inside. It smells very nice. That's what it looks like on the inside. So that's the first big thing in there. Then underneath it, you're going to get these dynamic resurfacing facial pads. So this one, they look like that. And these you're just gonna use in a circular motion on your face. So let me show you what they look like. Like that, and you're just gonna do like a circular motion. I actually don't have makeup on right now, so this is a perfect time for me to show you how to use it. These smell so good. I'm gonna do half my face right there. So half my face is resurfaced. So you can already see like a little bit of a difference right there just by doing that. And you're just gonna do that circular motion. You don't need to wipe this off, that's it. And it's just giving you that great resurfacing, getting rid of those dead skin cells so that you can have some good turnover in your skin, make it look nice and vibrant. Very pretty. You can always see if there's any like gunk that comes off your face. Okay, so those are two of the things you get, and then there's more. Okay, let me show you this little kit right here. So then you're also gonna get a trio right here. So this is the Superfood Day Cream. This one is a prebiotic day cream, so you can put it on after you've cleansed. Let's see if I can get it pumped out. That's what it looks like when it comes out. Smells always, their stuff smells so good. Ooh, it's very soothing, especially right after resurfacing. Nice moisturizing day cream with the prebiotics. So there's your day routine. And then we also have a face wash that comes with it. So you're gonna get a face wash. This is a prebiotic gel cleanser. This one has superfoods including avocado, broccoli, kale, and it leaves skin feeling deeply cleansed and soft. So score for that. And then you're also gonna get the Superfood Night Cream. And this is called Midnight Facial. It's basically a sleeping cream. So you're gonna sleep in this and it's gonna make your skin look amazing in the morning. So you do not have to rinse it or anything like that. So I'm super excited about this. I think you get so many good things. The value is incredible. So if you're looking for a really good starter set, I think you're gonna love this.